What's up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm a licensed public adjuster. And all that means to you as a consumer is I'm licensed to help you get your commercial or industrial property insurance claims paid because I am a policy and coverage expert that can deal with the insurance company in a way that they understand. But today, I'm here to talk to you about something new that if you haven't encountered it yet, you will soon. It's called virtual claims adjusting. Think about that. Virtual claims adjusting. And you'll see me reading off of this because there's some specifics that I want to relay to you that I believe that are important. So, one of the largest companies in America, insurance companies in America, just replaced 500 claims adjusters with a mobile application for their phone, for your phone. During this insurer second quarter conference call, the CEO said the insurance company has downsized more than 500 claims adjusters as the company transitions to the photo claim estimating system. Severance payments to the downsized claim adjusters were part of the $52 million in restructuring expenses reported to the insurance company's second quarter financial results. In the past, they say this, in the past, there was a lot of dead time, unproductive time as adjusters drove around, driving to cars and properties, driving to body shops for both initial estimates and supplements. And we looked at that and realized that emerging technologies, data, and analytics could rectify that and take some of the inefficiency out of the system. Inefficiency, they say. They say inefficiency. What they mean is make them more money. For the second quarter, the insurance company reported annual revenue of $9.6 billion with a B, up 4.6% from the second quarter of 2016. Net income was $550 million, up from $242 million in the second quarter of 2016. So these companies somehow try to convince us as consumers that, oh my gosh, we're taking so many losses, there's been so many storms. Well, that's what you get paid for. That's why we pay our premium. So when you have a storm, the insurance company will actually pay for the damages. But I ask you this, how does profit or net income go from $242 million up to $550 million? They either have to have a ton of new clients, reduce costs, which includes firing 500 claims adjusters, which is not good for you as a consumer, PS, and or not pay out claims. Because the fewer claims they pay, the more money they make. Follow me here. So there's a couple different people. Now, there's a lot of this, because of this program, it actually started more in the auto side than it did the property side. So a lot of the feedback from some of these people that you'll hear from in a second are from the vehicle side. But guess what's happening in autos will for sure come to property. So listen to this. Jeff said, insurance companies just keep passing along the administrative, estimating, supplementing, and photography duties, costs to us, the collision repair centers, for the same rates we had when they were doing those duties. So basically what he's saying is, look, we now have to take on the burden of all those costs because the insurance company is no longer doing that. Okay. Profit going from $242 to $550 million, you put the burden on somebody else. Why am I going to have to take the burden on? That's not my original responsibility. Are you paying me more to do your job? Okay. Joanne says, vehicles still need to be looked at physically. This is just saving money for the insurance company, creating headaches for the body shops, and in the long run, creating more headaches for the customers. It's a bad idea. Think about that. Brian says, if you let 500 employees go over an app that makes the customer do the job of the claims adjuster, does my rate as a customer go down? What does the customer get for your savings, insurance company? okay? This is the thing, it's already starting in the property side. They're sending out unlicensed people to look at your property, take pictures, maybe put up a drone and take some video. But these people are not licensed. And guess then what happens? They are able to virtually see your property from pictures and drone videos. I've been told, well, we do have a 4K camera on that drone. I've got a drone with a 4K camera. It's still not as good, I can tell you, because I have what they're telling me is replacing an adjuster or somebody actually getting on the roof that knows what the hell they're doing to look at your property. It is not the same. And so what's happening is they're able to save a ton of money because they don't have to pay people that are actually going to get an education to get licensed and pay all those licensing fees and everything that relates to those licenses every single year. They can just pay somebody that's not licensed to go look at your property. That's bad for you as the consumer. These drone and virtual claims adjusting is not helpful for you. As a consumer, it is not good for you. But this is the thing. It is going to happen more and more and more often. And guess what? I don't see a lot of these virtual claims getting approved. I see the vast majority getting denied. And now, to be fair, when it comes to me, and by the time it comes to me, they're already getting delayed or denied or underpaid. However, I know a ton of roofers, a ton of contractors, and I talk to them on a regular basis. Hey, what are you seeing? Have you seen this yet? Some haven't even seen it yet. Some have, but I'm telling you this, it's gonna get more prevalent and it's not fair. Someday, I believe technology will be good enough that it might be able to replace an adjuster or supplement an adjuster. But these companies are trying to replace an adjuster completely. That is not fair for you as a consumer. If you're a commercial building owner, a residential building owner, or industrial building owner, you have to really consider what you're getting when you make a claim. And can you fight it? The answer is yes, you can fight it. The answer is you have to have somebody on your team that understands how to fight the insurance company and beat them at their own game. That's right. You have to beat them at their own game. This is a game they play to see if you will fight back or not. If you will push to get them to pay what is legitimately owed to you. Now, this is a consideration. If everybody in your neighborhood on the residential side is getting their roof replaced and they had physical adjusters, like actual people, go up on their roof and take a look, and you're getting denied because you had a drone fly over your building or your property, you have to consider what is actually going on here. And I understand this video is a little bit longer, but it's so important. The reason that I want to get this out is because it's going to happen more and more often. So when you need somebody to help you push back on the insurance company to pay legitimate claims that you are making for your commercial property or your industrial property, contact us today. The sooner you contact us, the better results that we can get for you, because more options are available to us to exercise based on your policy. So contact us today. My name is Taylor Grant. I'm with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm a licensed public adjuster, and all that means to you is I'm licensed to help you as a commercial property owner, a commercial property manager, or a commercial contractor help your clients fight the insurance company to get legitimate property insurance claims paid for. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.